Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5020P. It's a 2018 Ford Transit cargo van with only 57,000 K. Nice clean little van. This one is the 130 wheelbase and low roof, so it is your standard length cargo van. Back's nicely outfitted. We've got some Ranger shelving on both drivers and passenger, Ranger bulkhead, some pull-out storage bins as well, and then there's some logistics strapping mounted up front for tank storage or anything like that you might be lugging around. There is also a hydraulically assisted drop-down ladder rack up top. Passenger side drops down, driver's side is fixed for a small little 6-foot step ladder. On the back we have a backup camera, again shelving both drivers and passenger sides. Some little hooks there, as well as a strap tank storage location. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There's also a lockable little center console there for clipboard, paperwork, whatever you might be lugging around. Vans like this are great for electrical contractors, plumbing and heating contractors, general contractors, especially the shorter wheelbase is nice for zipping in and around apartment buildings and that kind of thing, doing any sort of maintenance. Van like this would be nice and handy and a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 5020, a 2018 Ford T150 cargo van.